Foodies, welcome back to Imagenish video. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of American shrimp scampi. But hold on, because we're not just cooking it, we're uncovering some fascinating unknown facts about this mouth-watering dish. So, let's get started. Before we unravel the mysteries, let's prep our ingredients for the shrimp scampi. While we chop garlic and parsley, did you know that shrimp scampi is believed to have Italian origins? Yep, it's true. The name, scampi, actually refers to a type of small lobster found in the Mediterranean. Historical twist. Despite its Italian roots, American shrimp scampi has evolved into a unique and beloved dish. In the 20th century, Italian immigrants in the United States adapted the original scampi recipe, replacing lobster with shrimp. This fusion of culinary cultures gave birth to the American shrimp scampi we know and love today. Butter saga. Now, let's talk about the star of our dish, butter. Did you know that shrimp scampi is notorious for its buttery goodness? The dish typically calls for generous amounts of butter, creating a rich and indulgent sauce. It's no wonder it's a comfort food favorite. Wine pairing magic. Here's a fun fact. Shrimp scampi is often paired with white wine. The acidity of the wine complements the richness of the dish, creating a perfect harmony for your taste buds. So, the next time you whip up shrimp scampi, consider uncorking a bottle of your favorite white wine. The term, scampi, not only refers to the lobster in Italian but also to the method of preparation. In Italian cuisine, scampi often signifies a dish made with garlic, butter, and a seafood base. It's incredible how language and food intertwine. Popularity explosion. Did you know that shrimp scampi experienced a surge in popularity in the United States during the mid-20th century? Thanks to its rich flavors and simple preparation, it quickly became a go-to dish for home cooks and a staple on restaurant menus. Its popularity hasn't waned since. Scampi variations. Now, let's explore the world of shrimp scampi variations. Scampi beyond shrimp. Shrimp might be the star, but shrimp scampi isn't limited to just shrimp. In certain culinary circles, you might find variations featuring other seafood like scallops or even lobster. It's a testament to the versatility of the dish and the creative freedom chefs embrace when putting their spin on it. From romantic dinners to celebratory feasts, shrimp scampi has graced the screen, making our mouths water and inspiring us to recreate those cinematic moments in our kitchens. Here's a fun fact to share at your next dinner party. There's a friendly, scampi showdown among food enthusiasts. Some argue that true shrimp scampi should be served over pasta, while others insist it's best enjoyed with crusty bread. It's a tasty debate that highlights the dish's adaptability and the joy of personal preference. Scampi's seafaring origins. Going back to the dish's roots, did you know that the term, scampi, has a seafaring connection? It is believed that Italian fishermen would prepare a quick and flavorful dish with garlic and butter right on their boats. This maritime tradition eventually found its way to our tables, creating the delightful shrimp scampi we savor today. Scampi in literature. Shrimp scampi has found its way into literature as well. In some classic novels and contemporary literature, you might stumble upon vivid descriptions of characters enjoying a plate of shrimp scampi. It's a testament to the dish's enduring appeal and its ability to evoke a sense of comfort and indulgence in the written word. Scampi symbolism. Here's a quirky fact. In certain cultures, shrimp scampi is seen as a symbol of prosperity and good fortune. It's believed that the ingredients, particularly the butter, signify richness and abundance. So, not only is it a treat for your taste buds, but it might also bring a bit of culinary luck your way. Did you ever think that shrimp scampi could be associated with astrology? Well, in astrology, the dish is often linked with the zodiac sign Cancer. Just as the moon influences the tides, shrimp scampi's popularity is said to ebb and flow, reaching new heights during Cancer season. Scampi superstitions. In some coastal communities, there's a charming superstition associated with shrimp scampi. It's believed that preparing and sharing this dish during a full moon brings good luck and prosperity to those partaking in the meal. Shrimp scampi has become a social media sensation. Food influencers and home cooks alike love sharing their unique takes on this classic dish on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Scampi Sunday has even emerged, turning this delightful dish into a weekly culinary celebration across the digital landscape. And with that, we've uncovered even more hidden gems about American shrimp scampi. Who would have thought that a simple dish could be so rich in history, symbolism, and superstition? If you've got your own shrimp scampi stories or if you've learned something new today, share it with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty tales on Imagenish videos. Until next time, happy cooking and stay curious.